Hi everyone, so it's Monday. Today I've planned to tidy up the house because it's a little bit of a mess. Not just a little bit, actually, it's quite a bit of a mess. I also need to go to the shop first thing because I like going to the shop in the morning just so that it's done and there's not a lot of people in the shops in the morning, so it's quite good. Gosh, I'm so tired. Yeah, so I'm going to the shop first thing first, and then I'm going to tidy up because, I mean, just have a look, it's a real mess. So yeah, that desk used to be here, and that table used to be here, and then we got that new table. But anyway, it's just a big mess. So anyway, it's just a big mess, and I'm just going to try to tidy up a bit. The kitchen is also in quite a state. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I also really want to make some paintings because we've got those on the walls that are quite like summery or springy, and I just want something wintry. And yeah, we also have loads of branches. I'm gonna try to think about a way to put them like nicely around the house, maybe some in the bedroom as well, because we don't have anything Christmassy in the bedroom, so I just want to cheer up a bit and put some Christmas stuff in the bedroom. I don't really know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the place is a bit better. There's still this, but my plan is to do something with it today. But it's clearer and a bit less of a mess than it was earlier. Kitchen is also kind of better. But anyway, now I feel quite motivated to work out, so might as well jump on the occasion and do it, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. So I just finished my workout. Oh, that was good, felt good. I mean, not during the workout, I feel awful. But now I feel better. So I guess that's the most important. So yeah, stay hydrated. I'm just gonna shower and have lunch. Haven't had breakfast yet. I haven't had breakfast, that's all. I haven't had breakfast. I'm just gonna have lunch and then do some more stuff, I guess. Okay, so complete change of plan. I decided to go out for a bit just because I needed to get a cucumber. But I ended up doing some Christmas shopping and I got a few things just behind me. I'm not going to show anything because there are presents, and I know that some people who watch my channel are gonna have these presents, so I just don't want to spoil anything. So yeah, I did some Christmas shopping and I still haven't had lunch and I'm starving, so I'm gonna have food now. Town, and I bought yogi tea, which is a tea that my sister spoke to me about for a while, so I'm just gonna try that today. Can I just say, I love having the Christmas tree in the background. It's just so pretty. I'm so cold. It's so cold. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you that. My sister, my little sister, I love her. She asked me to make some stars painted in yellow for her for Christmas because it's her favorite color. I'll make those and then I'll place them in the tree, and then it'll be like, shout out to Chloe. Cheers, shout out to Chloe. That is so good. Yeah, the cam has called and it needs to do overtime, so it gives me time to do more stuff. I still need to think about what I'm going to do with those, the branches behind me. So yeah, I'm not really sure. I was thinking about maybe trying to make a wreath myself. I don't know, I've never made one. So we'll see. Okay, so I've done another of those things. Now I'm gonna try to do a homemade wreath. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try and we'll see how it goes. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm trying to place branches anywhere in the house. I'm trying things. I don't know. I think I like it, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Do we like having some on top of the mirror? I'm really confused. I don't know if I'm just like kidding myself or not. But I don't know. I quite like it. Is it just me? Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my next coming videos. And yeah, you guys take care. Cheers!